We are ready. Igbo niile, get ready. We are ready. If in America, one will get ready. We are ready. If in London, one will get ready. We are ready. If in Spain, get ready. We are ready. Igbo niile na diaspora, get ready. We are ready. Get ready. Everybody get ready. Get ready. Onyenda get ready. We are ready. What is happening here? Huh? What is happening here?
See, not just ball and play with our fellow children. Yeah? Now you have to stop it.
You are playing ball with your fellow children. Which people be your fellow children?
These people now.
Yeah. These people, your fellow children. How old are you?
I'm 10 years.
And you?
12.
And you are?
11.
You?
8.
Look on there.
6.
6 years. You see it? Okay, wait. Nayuku. How old are you? Nayuku, how old are you?
I'm
35. Granny, grandmother, how old are you?
This age where you call the answers for these children, please, I don't understand. Are they 31?
When I hear them, how old is she?
31.
Okwa 31. As we te bawa. Mpokete. How old are you?
I'm just 27.
You are just 27 years. 27 okay for just. Mother General, how old are you?
37.
You see the big gap between the two ages. These people, their bones are out of stock. You are still children. They might break your leg. Because he might think you are of the same size, but you are not of the same age. So please be wise and be careful. Did you understand what I just said? Yes. What did I say? Say it loud.
Be wise and be careful.
Good.
I
Never said it's your fault, and I'm not trying to blame you for being short. I'm only trying to blame you for not reasoning with your head. A man of your age should know your age. Keep it up from the 30, but we're gonna have 5 years, now 6 years. Give me a push.
But Chief, let me tell you, it's not that we want to play with these children. No. It's just that our mates, they don't want us to play with them. So we say let's just play with the children.
Then you play with yourself.
Only can I there about board.
But Chief, can't you call it the kids? I'll go and get it. It will took you.
Madam Mary Munyena Yokuye. Okay, Jahuza Nyona. Mary Munyena Yokuye. Didn't mama. He goes in all law. Mothers are now speaking. Chief Ogi cry. Did I say anything wrong here? Am I trying to blame whoever that created you? God creates you, yes. We give him the glory. We give him the honor. But be careful, these children are still tender. If you want to play, go and find your mates. All of you upstairs. Run! Anytime they are calling you people to come and play ball, tell them no. Everybody should go and mind his or her mates.
Chief, what is the meaning of this advice?
I am on a position.
What are you trying to do?
Let's play ball. We are age mates.
You are a hypocrite.
Hypocrite 9, not him now. Go to any field when I was in school. No, I got Hannah hypocrite 9. And what do you name me?
In my meaning of hypocrite.
You know, you have a football. What do you know?
I want to share.
He hit you? Let's talk to you guys.
He's the youngest. Look at what you did to me. Are you going?